The three of you are charged with 2 offenses. The first one is neglect of duty, contrary to section 114 of the Penal Code Act. It is alleged that the three of you, between the 30th day of December 2022 at Chibalinga Health Center, being public officers in the Muzende District Local Government, charged with the duty of supervision, you neglected to perform your duties during the construction of a waiting shed. I hereby remand you up to 30th of this month, when you will appear here and take plea formally in the presence of the state authorities.